Hello, today is the 12th of June 2014. I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com, and today we're looking at the CFDs, gold, SPX500, the US30, German 30, US oil on the daily chart using the Elliott Wave analysis. Before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine, so let's go to the charts. As I said to you, the first one is gold. What has happened, we have entered at 1255.81, and that's the low here. And what actually happened, we were on a wave 3 downwards, which the wave 3 had completed. That's the minor wave, that's being blue and in brackets. It retraced up, we took it at a 23.6 level, or probably at that time at 38.2, and price has actually gone up further and hit the 50%, making that a still a valid trade. Our wave count is still valid right now. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Of course, it's been hitting various different levels, as you can see if you're looking up. As you can see how price has gone up, hit all these different levels, and suspended at that 50% off the Fibonacci line. So right now, yes, we are minus 1567 points. That's only about £10, £928, and that's for 2 trades right now. And our other trade, which we had taken previously, is 465 points in the negative. So that's also what we're looking at. So what we're going to do now, I'm just going to have to go through the actual wave count so you can actually just follow through where we are. We're in a wave 3 off a primary. Primary is red and in circles, and then we break that down further. We're in a wave 3 off an intermediate, which is green and in brackets. There's the 1, there's the 2, and then we're in a wave 3. We projected the wave 3 to come down at this level, 1141. That's an extension. Breaking that down further, we go to the minor waves, 1, 2, 3. The 100% level, could we consider it completed? I think not. So we're taking it at the 161 level, and that's priced at where we're going to take all our profit at 1214. When we break that wave structure down, we get to the minute degree, and that's blue at Roman numbers and in a circle. So there's the 1, there's the 2. Wave 3 has completed. Wave 4, we believe, has just happened today, hitting the 50% Fibonacci level, and then we're looking for a strong push downwards to complete our 161.8 off the minor degree. Then what we're going to do, we're going to wait for the wave 4 to come up at the various levels, as what we've got here. Take it at 23.6 levels, and then come down all the way down to complete the other wave structures. Okay, fine. So that is gold. Let's now move to the SPX500, following the S&P 500. Once again, these are all CFDs, I must say. Okay, quite interesting as we can notice. Let's give you the wave count so you can actually follow where we're through. We're in a wave 3 of a super cycle. There's the wave 2 completing blue, Roman numerals and in brackets. Its sub wave is a C wave, right? And when we break that down further, we're actually in a primary wave, where it's a wave 5. So we can actually say the cycle wave, we're in a wave 1, and the sub wave is the primary, which is in a wave 5, near to completion. So we can break that down. The next wave that we're looking for is the intermediate, which is in green in brackets. There's 1, there's 2. Wave 3 we haven't projected yet, but we're in a wave 3. We break that down further, we take it into the minor wave. There's 1, there's 2. On wave 3 we project to end at 1977, and that's at the Fibonacci level. Breaking that down further, we can see we're going into the minute degree. That's blue and the Roman numerals 1, 2, 3. And as you notice, please do notice this, traders, how price came very close to hitting our top there, but unfortunately it didn't take us out all the way. Okay, so that is that. And what we've got now, I think our necessary situation. Yeah, so basically what's happened here, our trade for the wave 4 has been kicked in at the 23.6 level. We put the entry at close to 1936. Okay, so that's triggered in there. We've got a few other entries further down just in case we were able to get an entry. And our stop level is 1898.8. 1898.8, and this is all based on Fibonacci rules. So we feel pretty confident about that. So what we're looking for now, we're looking for the push up of the wave 4 to take us out to complete the wave 3, which is the larger wave of the minor wave. And we've got our profit levels taken at various levels, and you know, at 1958.8 and another one at 177.8. And basically what we should do is just move these levels down to match, to be sure that we get in the trade, get out the trade. Yeah, so if price comes down further, it can start taking us in here, because we've got a few entries at this particular level. Yeah, we take, if price comes down further, it'll come in between the 38 and 50% level, and that's where we've got our trades marked up for. In fact, as we've moved our wave up here, we can actually correspond to move our wave, our entries to the 38 point level. Yeah, so basically what I've done, I've moved the entries to the 38.2 level. Entry at 1921.8, stop level at 1898.8, and targets can be the necessary ratios within the Fibonacci. Okay, so basically if trade comes down to the 38.2 level, 1921.8, bounce up, and we've got two targets here, one at 19494 and the second target one at 958.8, and of course our final ending is at 1977. Okay, fine, so let's move to the next one, US oil. US oil, yeah, we've had one trade closed out yesterday, as you can see. Hit the 101.01 level, so that was money in the bag, as they would say. And second profit target has been taken out, 106.39. Last target is going to be the 111.41. Yeah, 111.41, and that will close out hopefully the wave of the extension of the minute degree. That's what we're looking for. We're not going to take any entries right now. We're at the 100% level. See what happens with price. Is price going to be able to handle this, or is it going to just bounce back further up? Is it going to go down? Right now we have to wait and see exactly what's going to happen, but our trade is positive right now, and that's the main thing. We want to see the wave 3 complete, and therefore take out the wave 4. If the wave 4 does come down, if this is the end of the wave 3 here, then we can take our wave down a bit. And let's just move this down a bit. So we could probably expect, which that's not going to be viable. So what we're going to say then, we're probably looking at the 161.8 level for the wave 3 completion, which is an extension. So I'm feeling a bit confident. Let's just have a look. That's still possible. That's still possible. So yeah, let's have a look if price comes to the 127 level and closes off. But I feel confident there's going to be a more push up, at least to the 127.2 level, which is at 108.50. So right now, two profit targets have been taken out. Our entry was at 101.22, stop level at 96.34. If I was going to get in a trade now, I would get it on the high of today's candle, at the very high, to take out, to at least get it to 108.50 would be the first target. Stop level, I would put this as a stop level, which would be 101.51. I'll mark that off for you. Yeah, okay, fine. So if you're going to enter at 106.64 and a stop at 100.82, which I would feel safe and confident, the risk reward wouldn't be in there for 108.50. So you'll probably be looking at 161.8, which is a 111.14, and then you're just looking at the 1-to-1. Or you can be a little bit more aggressive and take it to the current high, the current candle low, and that would be, of course, it's all, I'll just put it here, 103.98. Then you're still at a 1-to-1 for a current trade. But like I say, one wouldn't be in the money right now. So that's that. Better thing is to probably, if you're not in the trade, just wait for the retracement of the wave 4 to come down and then to hit it for the wave 5 to come up there, because you know, at the end of the day, we'll feel more confident on a pullback. Okay, let's move to the next one, US30. We've been watching this quite closely in the past couple of days because of our analysis. And look what's happened. I'll give you a bit of a breakdown. Where do we stand on this? I have to go to the monthly chart. Monthly chart is telling me, what's the monthly chart telling me? The monthly chart is telling me we're in a wave 3 of a largest wave is the cycle degree. That's in black and Roman numbers. Breaking that down, we're in a wave 5, I believe. Yeah, a wave 5 of a primary degree, which is red and in circles. I'll have to take it down to the weekly. Can you see it? I'll have to move it over here. That's probably easier for you to see. Right. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 is close to completion, and that is also close to the completion of the wave 3. Breaking that down, the subwaves would be the minor wave, the intermediate. That's in green in brackets. So I have to take it to the daily now. So take it to the daily, and then you can see on the wave 5 there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the wave 5 is here, right? Breaking that down, we go into the minor wave, which is in pink, and that is 1, 2, right? And 3, 4, 5. These are all projections, as I said to you. So what we do, let's take it back to the daily. So you can see and understand how I'm feeling with regards to this trade. We're kind of licking our chops a bit because everything is kind of falling in place. Right here we have a bit of divergence going on. Just move that up a bit. From here to here, 1, 2, 3 highs. You can see it's taking it out, right? So that's one particular point. The wave 1 of the minor has hit the top of our trend line, right, and subsequently started bouncing down through all our support and resistance lines. We've marked out here is a wave 2 ending, and that's going to be at the 61.8 level, which is the Fibonacci. Entry level will be 16593, and the stop level is 16463, just below the 78.6 level, right? More safer would be able to take it all the way down to the 100% level. That is how aggressive you could be, traders. But further away, the better you would be from being stopped out for these potential necessary trades. Right now, we haven't got any entries on this trade right now. We came out at the top here. If you remember, we believe that the wave 1 had completed, and which is true, and now we can see the actual retracement taking shape. what we've done our trend lines from these highs, and that's mapping off how perfectly that end of wave 1. So when these two converge together, that's the 2 to 4, right? That's this one, and then we've done another one from 0 to 2 all the way up. Okay, and price later on is going to be caught in between there before a solid push. So what are we looking for now? We're looking for the wave 2 to come down, right, at the 61.8 level at 16593. We're looking then for the push up, the strong push up, price to go up to hit the 78.6 level, bounce off this, right, and come down, hit the wave 4, right, and we'll have that marked off already, the wave 4, which we haven't got it marked off right now, and then looking for the wave 5 to come up. But once we hit this level, we're going to go for an entry, and we're going to take it all the way to the 78.6 level, come out the trade. That's right, we're not going to be overzealous and try to go the 100%, just take it at the 78 or even 61.8 as a very, very strong, quick trade plan. So around this area is a lot of things happening. The wave 3, which is of the larger wave 3 of the cycle, is around here. That's where the 127 finishes, but of course it's in between. It's in between the 100% level and the 127 level. So it can stop anywhere, of course. But also at the same time, we've got the ending of the primary degree, which is ending, if you can see, at this area, and you got the primary wave 5. It finishes, you know, the 161.8 level is at that point, and the its subordinate intermediate, that's wave 5, also finishes at this level, which is at the 127.2 level. So there's a lot of things happening around that area. So I'm expecting, you know, to see a wave 4 of the minor to give a throw under. So we're looking for price to come under this particular point here and probably get trapped around here, and then a strong push up for a wave 5 to go over, and that's what we call a throw over. So price is going to come up, hit that L level, and then come sharply dropping downwards. And we're looking for an end to end around this level, 1634. So we're looking at 962 pips. Depending on how aggressive you're going to take the trade, we'll play that out accordingly. Let's move now to the alternative count, just in case you don't want to be playing a ending diagonal. You just want to be thinking that it could be something more simple and not so aggressive. So you can see we're in a wave 3 of a cycle degree, breaking that down. Wave 5 once again of a primary degree, breaking that down. Wave 5 off a intermediate, and as you can see, you know, we've put an entry there again at 166.05. We've got our necessary trend lines in place here, and as you can see, so what we're looking for, price to come down, take us into the entry, and boom, there we go again. We'll start putting our entries in place to get prepared for those moves up, and we'll just play it accordingly and see how that pans out. So I'm ICR Tiger, I'm from the Trading Tigers, and thank you very much for today.